Meaning of Haitian.
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 Haitian. Haitian refers to something or someone related to Haiti, which is a country located in the Caribbean Sea. Haiti is known for its history of colonization, political instability, and poverty. The Haitian people have a rich culture with influences from African, European, and native Taino traditions. The official language is French and Creole. Haitian cuisine is also unique and flavorful, with dishes such as griot, fried pork, and djon, rice with black mushrooms. Despite facing many challenges, Haiti continues to inspire through its resilience and strength.